We all love a risotto. It's a family favorite, but have you had Confit duck risotto? The first thing we need to do is slice up a leek. So what I want to do is add some butter to our pan that I've just been warming up. Then we're going to go straight in with our sliced leek. We're going to add some mushrooms. Mushrooms can go in. We'll give our mushrooms and our leek mixed with the butter a good stir. So we've got a few cloves of chopped garlic. Now I'm going to add our rice. So we're using a Boreo rice, which is quintessential in a risotto. You want to dry fry the rice just to make sure everything gets coated in the buttery mixture. The next thing I want to add to our risotto is some white wine. In this pot, we've got some duck stock. If you don't have duck stock, you can use chicken stock, one ladle at a time into our risotto mixture and just keep stirring. And when each ladle of the duck stock has absorbed, we add another one and we keep going until we've used all of the stock. We've got our beautiful Luv-a-Duck Confit duck legs that I've just taken off the bone, and I just want to shred them up a little bit. I'm just gonna pour what's left of the duck stock in. What we did is we just had some butternut pumpkin that we roasted up for 20 minutes with a bit of cumin, bit of olive oil, some fresh rocket. That'll give it a nice green color. We'll give that a stir and just make sure that final ladle is incorporated. We're gonna add some extra butter. Then we've gotta have a good whack of Parmesan cheese, and then a good whack of pepper and some salt. Confit duck risotto using the Luv-a-Duck Confit duck legs. All you have to do is shred it, add it to your risotto. It takes your risotto from midweek winner to absolute game changer. Confit duck risotto, give this one a try.